Sorbo Gurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone kampani ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchase abaonya aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigiria amabati anda unsialia utagiti showroom yeto nigo ere engale iyurengia na wigo ekogokie liso yao chingagi ogoswasa yekurigiria amabati aiga ntubwate timu ya Tembo abuwe bawe kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho tebelie kende kensi uragania bagotebelia kampani ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuari ye chikala au na wigo ayuwe gabwata chiproval net gauges au na mono babwata nemo corrugated na wigo box corrugated asimigo babwata boomerang ayuari aye chigech emengetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibiri na isaro na sato babwata tile provals alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design babwate yigan gabwate chikala bunabono lia chako grey brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabati yiga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya bwe customer babwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikanyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase MRM showroom onyare kabo gokwerera amabati yu akomenya sivika ayo chane warrant na wigo ayo orakwaburwa kasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex niyo muchingo musongo iyo range neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene wingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere singo trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Yagimo manjumo ligerali nigo chiaragere Chinsa Inye chia bona maragoba letukeliga alia Jumanne wasiti tukulia la mesi tariki sana nemo chomotienyo iga ogatato umwaka wa 2025 chingaki amanga gantokana kwa Chinsa mo ime na isiko ya gusio manjumo ligerali nje nigo ngoro ko Haron Ototo nyangiri kuranza memenyelio niga kwa wisa makoli na Ekeonga Chinsa nyani ko toko ja kalimalioka netaro yomurai bwe kiama gya ODM musikiraira Amoro Odinga uyunya kabago talira county ya Kisii tugulero asanya kabaga kumirana negati abaraye kuroro gongorwa gusi munenjira ya mwekurya ebirengereri igoro yegetambukira kumuki gyage siasa azacinguma chiganda kone kiwabuna ni garage ko gendera ko batisia umurayi bwenze musikira mruto inse ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza inse yeli abuli dia pro-based government oigo umusike Raila Amoro Odinga ni ganyara kabaga kokwanira gusa kwere ndiboli igoro yeganga yomo wasirio mokoro omusike Fred Keng Matiangi yokoliye karokyo president yo mwaka wa 2025 asanya kabaga tamna omusike Fred Matiangi tara sotna nguboli ale kerogo igo chinga kiechiga tichiringia asogo kwanira igoro yaye gekara taranya kabaga westokia mulikito Daniel Ontiri na mange
Chinsa Inye ne chitaika sano chemambia ya lero Chinsa chi Afrika ya mocha. Umurai wekiama gia ODM muske Raila Odinga ni gata chance hase kaunti ya Kisii. Asensemo yokwene na migerio yoburimi ya ATC hase gikaro nabarai kurwa sorogongo rwogusi. Egati yabalia bayikirana asensemeiga ngamuno mugavana we kaunti ya Kisii muske Simbarati. Amuno mokonye muske Lijobebo. Mokonyi b'umugavana we kaunti ya Nyamira muske James Ndicho Gesami. Musko badia barongo kurwase bunge ya bumachoge burabu Irene Mayaka umujumbo mochore gati ya barayi banda bange ege kalekiga nigo kyalingete umuske Raila usangereria ebirengererio asise bali yae ya gisiasa uchasa matukale bosyo na kukwanire goro yense ya Kenya nichinga kichogo sanga nabali kyamangana egekegeke magaga yogokoli gekalekyo. Muske Raila otebaiga.
The leadership here have expressed their concerns about many things that are affecting the Kenyan people.
Chingaki cho omentabuna ichigani chingaki cha magendero. Ni chingaki cha siasa tichiraika chingaki cheli bolyo igoro yoyo kabiro mwaziri w'uburendi w'imaiga Kenya. Muske Fred Okengo Matiang'i hase chinkuma chyogo chikoligia ekiro kyoborai wense hasobo chole bole bosyo.
That is something that we'll deal with when the actual time comes up. Mr. Matiang'i has not, as things stand, come up to speak, to declare that he wants to run for the presidency.
Asense mwende ni gamu mochia umarai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto asemirobelio au ya magendro hiye kwa mete. Gatiabo murobelio bokwene no uwenia osha chibese chinke ichikubotu kwa wachase chikaunti. Murobelio wa affordable housing no kwama wechichiro au. Egento abolia kugororwa limolioka.
Talked about inadequate funding coming to the counties, which is again a national issue, but the MCAs here have talked about reduction in allocation of funding to county assemblies, which is across board.
Oteba buna egechandeta barayi bange aige Kenya no bukurumi bwanalia nabarayi abo begete chinda cyabo bosyo agentukirire ense ya Kenya ko basabe kimagendero.
Generally our country has reached this place because of lack of proper attention to critical issues.
Nanyana bo hitaro yumurai weke mekiga gya ODM muske Raila Odinga sorogongo rwogusi nigo yatiga bange na mabulyo kubwatekana no gutaikirano kwegati yabarai kurwase kaunti ya Kisii nelia ya Nyamira igati abo museneta we kaunti ya Kisii muske Richard Monyuka Mbunge we bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba muske Daniel Manduku. Uliwe bunge ya Kitutu Chache South muske Anthony Kibagendi. Muske Timothy Wosire gati ya bande abo bataikirana. Uko ikirana kwe gati ya barayi ya wanene kurwase kiama kia UPA. Abo warolekana bakomoa koboko muske Fred Okengo Matiang'i chikibere cha itire. Negati yarebo igatiga bange bakweyagio mutwe na gotema kweboria komanya ekirenga kiabo. Ngurubuterega seni kia Getembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii leterane nguruko Daniel Untiri.
Na tutigandane ngane yo mwancho murigereri nigo ababwatani bekia mangia Jubilee kurwa ase county ya Nyamira bakora no muri kyo manene ndenda bwekia megyo ase David Murara nigo banyaka bagosegeta engwana yanyaka bage kubwato kwa no muri kyo manene bwekia mangia Jubilee omusgetera makioni buna ekia mekyo nigo kraba se gochikoba gekwa gosini go krago chikwa omo gwasirio mokoro obuburendi bwe muske Fred Okengo Matiang'i ko muri bagali kururukia bendere ekia mekyo omwaka bwe chibubere na 25
Jasa Marieta, in the interim Secretary General ya Jubilee Nyamira County. There, with some few officials of the county executive branch, to our meeting, aiga temera yoko mirana na baraibande ba representative Kitutu Masaba constituency kuligere linga ke chama ya itaga ndreta se ground oto wa kambia mono abarai baito to tanga ine no como party leader Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta na secretary general Jeremiah Kioni na chairman na establishment asa iwagenda tokora na inde buna bako to direct insa na into na batokora lero ntubuna abarai banyamira county ototagete kutangasa echama yaito ya Jubilee Party branch Nyamira county ototagete kutangasa nga otore nyuma yomurai yaito Honorable Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i ase mebango yae yokuchikurwanire keroko kyobo president 2027 naende ayo talintu tweka tokobanga otokoba guided and directed kurwa se national council Nairobi igobu no moraye party leader yaito Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta ateba na Jeremiah Kioni buna batebire ntoganyete musike Matiang'i ajije atechoi kunya mwatisi anyale ko tenekero gekyo president otogo saba abarai bonsi bali bacholire asegusi yeito ebe Nyamira county ebe Kisii county bonsi bali bacholire na bali batacholire otutage totobege ntete tokwana umuntu oyo tumanyanga Matiang'i to barike kambi na inde abantu bali baraje gutwara ibirangere libinga abo otora tebe ngatiare enemy number 1 yo mugusi gento kende twara bateba nkiringa registration nagendrete abarai bali tomera kurwa chiwodi cha Gesima Kemera Magombo Bigoma Gachuba na Manga please bagendera ku recruit members kiagara this is the only party ono ege tigarete gokorere kene na inde tigarete era chikokonya
na omoncho murigero riri tukuri goro nigo abakagirwa bo bibabire banyatoka bakobe kubiyara Chinsa cha suneka ase banyatoka abagokagirwa nani ko baroberti ko ikora obusalia ase Chinsa mecho ukwana ritukuri rero umuteneri wa nyimbo Charles Inye county ya Kisii Charles Keses yanyaga bakwana kingwa babire abo nigo batogete babwata episto naboigo amasasi naboigo chichuma chinde baroberti ko gutumeka ase obusalia bwabo nanigo bagendete gusikirwa ase getaseni kia suneka
Mr. Charles Keses, the county police commander, Kisii County, and with me is the CCIO, Kisii County, Madam Catherine, AP Commander, Mr. Kiterio, and the DCIO, Kisii Central. At this point, I would like to inform you and the members of public and the entire residents of Kisii County that yesterday at around 21:50 hours we were able to get a breakthrough on our operations, which was of course led by the DCI as our lead investigation agency. In our operation that we were able to arrest 2 suspects within Kisii town near Texas petrol station. That is the junction heading to Nyamataro and Marani area. This is after an extensive investigation for the robberies that have been taking place within Suneka area, within our M-Pesa agents, and we were able to arrest 2 suspects who are on our radar. One, namely James Ocheng, who was the rider, and a pillion passenger, namely Gerald Okumu, both aged 35 years. And upon search, we were able to recover a pistol, Mek Banadeli, with 5 rounds of ammunition from the rider. And also we were able to recover 4 improvised metal bars from the pillion passenger, and these metal bars are able to fire rounds. These suspects are now in our custody, pending to be arraigned before court. Again, today we were able to make a miscellaneous application. We requested for 30 days because we also suspect these criminals are engaged in criminal activities within the neighboring counties.
Na mwanchu murigeli ebikore binde buna ebigose akorekete buna kioniko kyanyate kwa kaniki wa Chinsa mocha sombogo marani ebunge gitutu cha North ase abakegerwa abo bibane banyatuka bakuraswa amasasi ase babere banyatuka bagutama ne chingoma gakonikia egekore ekio omukomanda bwe county ya Kisii Charles Kesese nigoigo anyaruka gakuriera abamenyi na monchireri be county ya Kisii buna niga serikali egochikubanekalia oburendi bwabo chingaki obutukobaganda tekonikia igore gakore ekio.
This morning, the 6th day of March, within Marani area, that was around 30 hours, somewhere there, we received a distress call from members of public, and which were responded swiftly by our officers based at DCC Marani office, that there was robbery taking place within Marani township at a bakery. So, upon responding, our officers arrived there. We found that the robbers have already left the place. They were able to chase them towards Sombogo tea factory, and upon nearing that place, Sombogo Center, the tuk-tuk make Piaggio lost control. And the suspects started shooting at our officers. And fire exchange ensued, and whereby 4 suspects were fatally injured. 2 were able to escape, and we believe they are wounded. So we have also launched an investigation to find out whether we can find the 2 who have escaped, and whether we can get the firearm that was being used by those robbers. For members of public, that they keep on providing information as they have always been doing, and we shall keep it in confidence.
Na mwanju muri gatokorano ikase county ya Nyamira nigo abamenyi be Chinsa mochia etono eyo gotoka gose etono amono sasa meje ward ya Bugichora ebunge ya West Mugirango besokeli tukolia lero na gokora okorobekana asikrebuna iboneti epara eyo korosiwa sa eyo korosiwa bwekiranu koregana barubu ebirengo byo borosiwe pale byo tibikirantie kerengo keligeta keire na igoni go babodiyo oboteneli bwanzi koene kiabuna epale ngorosiwe korengana una eganeirie muri kito polkabu okara na mange
nemambe ya rero asebali giga ikuruchinsa mu cyumuza wika etono ebali yo egenderete ko bagekoroishwa asaba nenchi ko rwasibinyo biga besoke na kurubekana na kwemurunganira igoro yo mu engineer yo koroishye pareye iyo korengana mu nabarabu etali koroishwa bumetakire
aiga tu achira robuna bana inchi betono to kolera singenjo je bo rai bo robwe para iduro jabe ke to moro munjabe ke tu Jones to go chande ke to kanda iro kamiruka nandi nabuno etabe kirio moro abantu ba moro mwe bachete bakabe ko moro mwe nuso asande mbabegeti eba tu meta asara be mono ba tu mete bone birro bieito nebi esare kari kamoranche tokorero moro mwe ba tu mete igone tikiro mita batamanye tose ntunta beke irimara mwaso amasasa gotira bakaga igetona na baikere timbarato bekera maro
bali yo mujumbe korengana mu nabanyakinyura abegani go besokirie na batebabuna omunjino yorasaye igani gatari gukora imirimo yae binetakire egento bono kyabatire amwe namaburi amange
epare tokorera neyo muchumbe Steve Mugaka nere okotoroseria wono mochando Steve mwezi miwo itonto kwanjete ebirero byeito kware gochore para mnerosirie onyara gotokonya etichuya abantu watomete mbarose tienje epare sencherengia
egente getanganyo twale metwe pare kale mwe kale buya kabisa tobwena takaboya no chikali be osisatu wono igama to kwana igo epare ebe kilo moromu no chikali be chitabo gerane toko boliga inkibale mete pareye onye mbali kobeka ma muisa ine inkibale kobeka ma mwenu usenu bitumo ndema to kwana iga banda ba mekime emeo muye inkiyale kone ligwa iga kobekwe pare to konye
omwene niko bagende ko bakubulia abisi iyo mujumbe webunge ya West Mugrango Musike Steve Mugaka wesoke na koherengane yiga eligokora umucanga yiga asego tebekana buna epari yiga sabatu kamagega nigo yagendere ko bagikutira abange chinkoma kubatikana mu no ugotarishi bobya
abantu bekenyoro twatiramo tokorera kamuranje serikali yeito aje Steve nayo mugambyo itorende koranje para terosiri na makara matitari komekwa onye terata bokibwa
ndo takokura takoteba tobekerwa maramu erine nendu tobwenera buna abantu bande babwenerete ne parere ngiya none pikipiki yego
Steve kwale gochaye bieka omunyana bona igaso gwanja kwao orige lyare muno mora mubikire egero tokonye buna abantu bao bagwesi mugirango
ono tokobori umweshimiwa asomoyo bwogwanja onye konyarekana atabokie para korwo musasa korwo nyunyu ebwate sironga egero nantu turarati moka abantu turatiga kwira nyagitari babunekire abana inji tebe mware bataka
tarika
Ejinko ripoti ligatasini kikia uwanchete kia Getembe kuregase pale nane kura sinseme chika chabinyuni kwe kasirunga ase kinyureke igaki umusasa na wego netono ime ya West Mugrango Ekeonga ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
Manju muligirego ikirabo niko tokwenda omotimoko omokeigo oirinde tunyore obosemia bwa Getembe kurwa somugaka ochoi nyambasara togerana ningomanyi amange ina kwariganiria ase Ekeonga Chinsa Inye
Magaka ninjo Getembe ninjo dorome mangana man bangina ninjo
umba maiso komyo yetamanye iye bamatabu na abantu banda umure ko mabubu na inu abayengoli yani mukoro ko ngabarundi ko sikintereba usaba gendi kipikipiki aya no moyengoli abo bana muna ukwana mukona kwaera mangana abugo bande ni abakoligerete bantomba maiso miyo yetamutokumanye kiyo yo ndarengerete to komanya pi bantomba maiso bantoro cha maiso no ninche gondo chega to komanya kunandengerete bantomba maiso ko miyo yerete manye ni pi na wokanga ko mure umuntu wetu kumbe tayeso tayopi igo irangora bintu byangora irangora bantomba maiso ko miyo etamanye ni ayo mungino oliye muzuba tuli ndigereti ai
Magaka ninjo Getembe ninjo dorome mangana man bangina ninjo
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi
Superstores Nero eduka asorbo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone kampani ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchase abaonya aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigiriye amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale iyuerengia na wigo ekogokie liso yao chingaki ogoswasa kurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate etime tembo abuwe bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho tebeliye kende gensi uragania bago tebeliye kampani ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na wigo ayuwe babwate chi profile net gauges au na mono babwate normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated aswigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigech emengetato asama mabati aliaye chigeche merongibire na isaro na sato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala buna bono lia chako grey brick red tile red maroon sky blue na bwigo na green obutambe bwe mabati iga niko bokolengana amo nokuganya bwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo otukunyara kwa gutumika kinga gicho gwakeranya mabati iga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onare kwa gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sivika ayo uchanye warrant na bwigo ayo orakwa burwika sure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex muri umucungo busongo iyo erangene neduka ya Safaricom bwigo ngutuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere singwetra sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Machumurigari karibu na anda senseme iga ya kabere Ekeonga Chinsa Inye muwasiri wechisemi musike Julia Simigosi ogamba nigo aene karibu na mirabali yonsi niga yantakobe kone chingwana koleka eligokora omugiro gwemeremo wasaba bakali meremo we University ya Technical University of Kenya abagenderete no mugiro abo kugania amagani abo gwikiranirwa nigo musike Migosi ya tabuna nigo chingwana chigandete gatie byombe ao bya bakali meremo ase University yo nabo igo amo na serikali gotrase wizara Getembe.
Today we've had the opportunity to meet with the union representative for the TUK University workers. These were made up of WASU officials, the KUSU officials, and the KUDEA officials. As you all know, TUK University workers and academic staff went on strike in the month of February, and we've been trying to negotiate a return to work formula. And so, as a technical team between the Ministry of Education and the TUK staff and management, have worked a recovery roadmap for the university itself, so that we can have a structure where we are going to have a sustainable structure in the discussions that we are having, so that we have a sustainable agreement for TUK University. Majorly, we are concentrating on the areas that we need to restructure in order to ensure that going forward, and once we agree with WASU to return to work, whatever we have in place will be a sustainable goal, a sustainable structure, a sustainable program, which will enable TUK to be on a recovery path.
Na gukorera omonchu murigereria muwasiri boborende boime omoske Onesimus kibuchumba murukomene niganyaka bagakwana kiabuna abanyanyimbo nigo barajikorikwa asenjera yobwane no bwasyoku ase okorikwa gusokwana ni kwemeremo kole bosyo boigo niganyaka bagatanigo bagochukubwatarana ebyombe ao kelie kia National Police Service abona keli kia ipoa kwana kibuna abanyanyimbo ko barabaremeremo korengana nelichiko nabuna eganeirie.
We are pushing for is to ensure that we have the budgetary resources in the next financial year, and soon we will be announcing the recruitment exercise. And that recruitment exercise, I've been assured this time round we are going to do, because it was the recommendation of the task force that we must also do this recruitment in a more transparent manner. We are working together with the National Police Service Commission to make sure that technology is deployed to protect our citizens and to make sure that nobody is conned during recruitment exercise, and that all the citizens of this republic will see a more transparent recruitment exercise that will ensure that those officers who will come to office are those who are going to be able to have come through integrity and continue serving integrity. Another issue I want to speak about this time is to say, Mr. IG, that the reforms will continue.
mwancho muligereri gwikira buno tugukorera amang'ana maya Ekeonga Chinsa Inye ritukerigali rero ria Alamisi tugangambia mune sing'encho ogente ko bane getaseni kiao kia Getembe TV asemero bulionsi yogo chaka rituko na yakora rituko na gwikira bwo nigo tukaniria obotuko buya kurase egetaseni kia Getembe njini ngoro ko Haron Ototo nyangiri kurase amayimenyerero ni gakoro kwa Wilson Makoli na koirorera tugwaniriria obotuko buya.
Superstores Nero eduka asorbo ngurigarua South Nyanza yancheri amone kampani ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asora achagwirigiria amabati enda usialia utagiti showroom yeto nigo ere engale iyuerengia na wigo ekogokie giso yao chingagi ogoswasa kurigiria amabati aiga ntubwate timu ya Tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingiye cyo gukwarigania na wigo cyo tebereye kindi kinsi uraganie bagotebereye company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuari ye chikala au na wigo ayuwiga bwata chi profile net gauges au na mono babwata nemo corrugated na wigo box corrugated asimigo babwata boomerang ayuari aye chigech emengetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibiri na isaro na sato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko mbabwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design mbabwate ligani gabwate chikala buna bono lia chako grey brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green ubutambe bwa mabati yiga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya bwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikanyara kwa bogo tumuka chinga cyo gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase MRM showroom onare ko bogo kwerera amabati yu akomenya sivika ayo chani warrant na wigo ayo orakwaburwa kasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex iliyo mu Kiringo Busongo iyo eranye neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgo transaction number chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
StarTimes is brightening up your world